I will be discussing OpenGL concepts, coordinate system, vertices, and shaders. Coordinate systems. OpenGL uses a right-handed coordinate system where the positive x-axis points to the right, the positive y-axis points upwards, and the positive z-axis points out of the screen. This coordinate system is used for specifying positions, orientations, and transformations of objects in 3D space. Vertices. Vertices are points in 3D space that define the geometry of objects in OpenGL. These points are often organized into arrays or buffers and connected to forms primitives such as points, lines, and triangles. Vertices contains attributes such as position, color, texture coordinates, and normals, which are used by shaders to render objects with lighting, shading, and textures. Shaders. Shaders are a small program written in GLSL, OpenGL shading language, that run directly on the GPU, graphics processing unit. There are different types of shaders in OpenGL. Number 1. Vertex shader. Number 1. Vertex shader processes each vertex of an object, transforming its position from object space to clip space and passing data to the next stage of the rendering pipeline. Fragment shader or pixel shader computes the color of each fragment of a primitive based on lighting calculations, texture mapping, and other effects. Geometry shader, optional shader stage that operates on entire primitives, allowing for tasks such as tessellation, particle systems, and procedural geometry generations. Compute shader runs parallel computation on the GPU, useful for tasks such as general-purpose computing, physics simulations, and post-processing effects.